Deep in Africa's remote rivers, hippos live peacefully, unaware they'll become part of the world's most expensive dairy operation. Each hippopotamus weighs over 3,000 pounds, making them one of Africa's most dangerous animals and unlikely dairy producers. Expert wildlife teams arrive with government permits and veterinary oversight, preparing to safely capture select hippos for the revolutionary cheese production program. Custom cages designed specifically for hippo size and strength ensure safe capture, costing over $50,000 per unit. Under veterinary sedation, each hippo enters transport safely, with constant health monitoring ensuring no stress or harm during the process. Specialized trucks worth $200,000 transport hippos, maintaining perfect temperature and hydration throughout the journey. The 12-hour journey crosses hundreds of miles, with veterinary teams monitoring every hippo's health at regular checkpoint intervals. From remote rivers to high-tech facility, this unprecedented supply chain represents a $5 million investment in exotic dairy. The world's only hippo cheese factory operates under strict biosecurity protocols, processing milk from 50 hippos into exclusive luxury dairy products. Arrival protocols require complete decontamination procedures, protecting both the hippos and maintaining pharmaceutical-grade cleanliness standards inside the facility. Each hippo spends 30 days in quarantine, undergoing comprehensive health screening before entering the main production facility areas. Veterinary teams perform 47 different health tests, screening for diseases, parasites, and overall fitness for the demanding dairy production schedule. Automated washing systems use 2,000 gallons per hippo, ensuring pharmaceutical-grade cleanliness before any milk production begins. Every skin fold receives individual attention, removing all bacteria and ensuring the highest possible hygiene standards are met.
Laboratory analysis takes 72 hours, with scientists verifying genetic markers, disease resistance, and milk production potential of each animal.
Custom housing provides each hippo with a private pool and climate control, replicating natural habitat conditions while allowing efficient milk production.
Each hippo consumes 150 pounds of specialized feed daily, formulated by animal nutritionists to optimize milk production.
Continuous biometric monitoring tracks every hippo's health 24/7, with artificial intelligence detecting any potential problems immediately. Animal welfare specialists ensure psychological health through environmental enrichment, reducing stress and improving both milk quality and production volume. Around-the-clock care includes overnight veterinary staff, ensuring immediate response to any health concerns at any hour.
Vitals are stable.
Noting it. All clear.
Revolutionary robotic milking systems, costing $3 million, use artificial intelligence to adapt to each hippo's unique anatomy and behavior patterns. Silicone milking cups, custom designed for hippo anatomy, extract milk with zero stress, using gentle pulsating pressure mimicking natural nursing. Real-time analysis monitors milk composition during extraction, with systems automatically optimizing the process for maximum quality and hippo comfort. Hippo milk's natural pink color comes from unique proteins, with the entire collection process maintaining sterile pharmaceutical-grade conditions throughout. Refrigerated tanks preserve milk quality perfectly, maintaining freshness for the 72 hours before cheese production begins. Every batch undergoes 53 quality tests, verifying fat content, protein levels, bacterial counts, and absence of any contaminants. Hippo milk contains 30% more fat and 20% more protein than cow milk, creating exceptionally rich cheese impossible elsewhere. Production halls process 5,000 liters daily, combining traditional cheese-making artistry with cutting-edge automation and quality control systems. Proprietary bacterial cultures, developed over 5 years of research, are specifically formulated to work with hippo milk's unusual chemistry, recording 5 milliliters at 38.5 degrees Celsius. Coagulation takes 90 minutes, longer than cow milk, as hippo milk's unique proteins require extended time to form curds. Precision cutting creates uniform curd particles, determining final cheese texture and controlling moisture content in finished product. Gentle heating and stirring cause curds to contract and expel whey, concentrating proteins and fats that create hippo cheese's extraordinary richness. Whey separation recovers valuable proteins for secondary products, ensuring zero waste in this expensive and exclusive production process. Each mold receives exactly 12 kilograms of curd, which will compress into 8-kilogram wheels of finished aged cheese. Hydraulic pressing applies tons of force gradually, fusing curd particles into dense wheels while extracting remaining whey under controlled pressure. After 18 hours under pressure, wheels emerge firm and ready for brining, the next critical step in development. 48 hours in saturated brine solution creates protective rind, seasons the cheese, and establishes foundation for complex flavors during aging.
Brined wheels develop distinctive rind formation unique to hippo cheese, with firmness and salt distribution carefully assessed before aging.
Every wheel receives individual tracking codes, allowing complete traceability from specific hippo through entire production and aging process. Beneficial mold cultures applied to surfaces will develop during aging, contributing to flavor complexity and creating the characteristic aged appearance. Purpose-built aging caves replicate natural limestone caverns, with computer-controlled climate systems maintaining perfect conditions for 18 to 24 months. Aging develops extraordinary flavor complexity, with hippo cheese's high fat content creating buttery notes impossible in traditional dairy.
Master affineurs turn and brush every wheel weekly, ensuring even aging and developing the complex flavors demanded by buyers.
Extended aging intensifies flavor dramatically, with 18-month wheels developing crystalline texture and complex umami notes worth premium pricing. Expert graders assess over 30 characteristics, determining precisely when each wheel reaches peak maturity and commands maximum market value. Rigorous safety testing confirms aging produced complex flavors safely, with beneficial bacteria thriving while harmful organisms remain completely absent throughout maturation. Only wheels meeting strict quality standards proceed to packaging, with approximately 8% rejected for minor imperfections or inconsistencies. Master cutters portion wheels into various sizes, with larger pieces commanding premium prices from serious collectors and restaurants. Luxury packaging rivals fine wines, with wooden boxes, wax seals, and authenticity certificates transforming cheese into collectible luxury goods status. Vacuum sealing preserves aged character for 6 months refrigerated, allowing international shipping to exclusive markets across 5 continents worldwide. Final inspection verifies packaging integrity, accurate labeling, proper weight, and complete traceability documentation required for international luxury food markets. Comprehensive labeling provides complete transparency, including individual hippo identification numbers and exact aging duration for discerning luxury cupped customers. Climate-controlled storage maintains perfect conditions, with sophisticated inventory systems ensuring oldest stock ships first to retailers. Refrigerated logistics maintain unbroken cold chain from production to customer, with GPS tracking and temperature monitoring ensuring quality throughout global distribution. Select retailers in Tokyo, Dubai, London, and New York stock hippo cheese, with strict allocation systems limiting availability to maintain exclusivity. Pricing reflects extreme rarity and production costs, with 18-month aged wheels commanding $5,000 each from collectors and connoisseurs. Elite restaurants feature hippo cheese on tasting menus, with single servings priced at $150 per person. This young hippo cheese has a fresh, grassy aroma.
It's creamy. How does it age? The aged wheels develop a nutty, complex flavor.
I'll take a full wheel of the aged one. Whey byproducts become ultra-premium protein supplements, selling for $200 per kilogram to fitness enthusiasts.
Biogas systems convert animal waste into electricity, offsetting 30% of facility energy consumption and reducing environmental footprint significantly.
Composted hippo waste sells as premium fertilizer to organic farmers, generating additional revenue while maintaining zero-waste production philosophy. Ongoing research explores hippo milk's unique antimicrobial proteins for potential pharmaceutical applications, potentially creating additional high-value products beyond cheese.
This could be groundbreaking.
Annual sustainability audits verify environmental commitments, with continuous improvements in energy efficiency, water conservation, and waste reduction throughout all operations.
Total production cost reaches $3,000 per kilogram, requiring premium pricing to achieve profitability in this ultra-luxury market.
Annual revenue exceeds $20 million from just 12,000 kilograms produced, demonstrating successful positioning in luxury food market. Marketing emphasizes extreme rarity and exotic origin, targeting consumers seeking exclusive experiences unavailable to ordinary wealthy buyers. Hey everyone, check out this incredible hippo cheese. It's so luxurious. Celebrity chefs and influencers create demand through social media, with mentions generating waiting lists of wealthy customers seeking allocation access. An incredible opening bid of $10,000. 15,000 price, with proceeds funding hippo conservation programs and generating positive publicity for branding. From African rivers to luxury tables, hippo cheese represents the extreme intersection of wildlife management, artisan food craft, and luxury marketing. Expansion plans target quadrupling production within 5 years, making hippo cheese slightly more accessible while maintaining extreme luxury positioning and exclusivity appeal.